Have you ever wondered how to start an online affiliate marketing business? Imagine being able to earn income by promoting products or services from other companies. It's a world where your earning potential is only limited by your ambition and strategy. But just like any other venture, success in affiliate marketing requires the right guidance and a systematic approach. It's not merely about having a website or blog and promoting random products. Now you might be wondering, how can you start your own online affiliate marketing business? Don't worry, we have a solution for you. Introducing our revolutionary program designed to kickstart your online affiliate marketing business. Imagine having a blueprint for success, a six-figure formula that reveals the secrets behind a thriving online venture. That's precisely what this program offers. But that's not all. We've prepared done-for-you products and funnels to fast-track your journey. No need to reinvent the wheel or spend countless hours on research. We've done the legwork for you. And the cherry on top? We've identified the top 15 affiliate stacking niches. These are high-converting offers that could potentially skyrocket your earnings. To ensure you're always on the right track, we've included weekly coaching calls. You'll gain insights into what's working and converting now. It's like having a successful affiliate marketer whispering the secrets of success directly into your ear. With this program, you could have your business up and running in just 90 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just 90 minutes to start your journey towards financial freedom. You might be thinking, how does this program work? Well, it's quite simple really, and we've broken it down into easy-to-follow steps. First things first, you'll need to sign up for the program. We've made the sign-up process as smooth as possible so you can dive right in. Once you're in, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of done-for-you products and funnels that you can start promoting right away. These aren't just any products, mind you. These are carefully curated, high-quality products that are primed for success. And the best part? You don't have to worry about creating anything from scratch. We've done all the hard work for you. Next, you'll learn about the top 15 affiliate stacking niches. These are the niches that are proven to have hundreds of high-converting offers. We'll guide you on how to find these offers and how to effectively promote them. This is where the magic really happens. But we don't stop there. As part of the program, you'll be invited to participate in weekly coaching calls. This is your chance to see what's working and converting right now in the world of affiliate marketing. You'll get insider tips, strategies, and a chance to ask questions and get immediate answers. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to start your online affiliate marketing business. So, are you ready to start your journey towards a successful online affiliate marketing business? This revolutionary program is designed to take you from a quick startup to massive scaling. It's more than just a course. It's a complete affiliate marketing ecosystem where you'll learn the secrets behind a six-figure business. Imagine having done-for-you products and funnels at your fingertips, ready to start promoting right away. Visualize yourself discovering hundreds of high-converting offers in the top 15 affiliate stacking niches. Picture a business you can set up in just 90 minutes. And the best part? You're not alone in this journey. With weekly coaching calls, you'll stay up to date on what's working and converting now. This program is the fast track to your potential income, the path to your financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Don't wait any longer. Check the link in the description for more information and start your journey to financial freedom today.